Welcome to this YouTube video on the introduction to AI in digital marketing. In this video, we'll be discussing how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the digital marketing industry, and why it's crucial to keep up with the latest AI tools and techniques. As AI continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, businesses need to adapt to stay competitive and provide their customers with personalized experiences. So, whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or business owner, this video is for you. Let's dive in. ChatGPT and Notion AI are two powerful tools that can automate many tasks in digital marketing. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use these tools together to save time and increase efficiency. ChatGPT is an AI language model that can generate human-like text based on prompts. Notion AI is a platform that can automate tasks based on your Notion database. By combining the power of these tools, you can automate various tasks in digital marketing. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up Notion AI with your Notion database and integrate it with ChatGPT. We will demonstrate how to use ChatGPT to generate social media content and ad copy, and then automate the process of publishing them using Notion AI. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a better understanding of how ChatGPT and Notion AI can be used together to automate tasks in digital marketing, saving you time and effort. So let's get started. In this video, we will be exploring the incredible tool of Midjourney and how it can be used for creating generative art and print-on-demand products. This tutorial will cover everything from the basics of getting started with Midjourney to advanced features and techniques for creating stunning and unique art. We will walk you through how to use Midjourney's prompts, suggestions, and customizable settings to generate text and art that is truly one of a kind. You will learn how to access and use these features, and how to incorporate them into your workflow to achieve the best results. Additionally, we will delve into how Midjourney can be used for print-on-demand services, such as creating t-shirt designs or other products for sale. We will show you how to generate text and artwork using Midjourney, and how to upload these designs to print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble or Society6. Whether you are an artist, designer, or just someone interested in exploring the possibilities of generative art and print-on-demand, this Midjourney tutorial is for you. By the end of the video, you will have the skills and knowledge to create your own unique and high-quality works of art and products with Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI-powered tool that can generate text and artwork using prompts provided by the user. In this tutorial, we will focus on using Midjourney for generative art and print-on-demand services. To start, open Midjourney and select the Art option from the main menu. Here, you can choose from various art styles, such as abstract, landscape, or portrait. You can also customize your art by adjusting the colors, shapes, and patterns. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on Generate to create your artwork. Next, we will look at how to use Midjourney for print-on-demand services. Let's say you want to create a t-shirt design to sell on Redbubble or Society6. First, select the Text option from the main menu and enter a prompt for your design. For example, funny cat t-shirt design. Midjourney will then generate several text options based on your prompt. Choose the text that best fits your design and click on Art to generate artwork that complements your text. You can then download the artwork and upload it to your chosen print-on-demand platform to create your t-shirt design. Remember, the key to using Midjourney for generative art and print-on-demand services is to experiment with different prompts and settings to create unique and high-quality designs. With practice, you can use Midjourney to create artwork and designs that stand out in a crowded digital marketplace. Bing AI and Microsoft Copilot are powerful tools that can help digital marketers optimize their SEO strategies and improve their content creation process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use these tools. SEO research. Start by using Bing AI to research keywords related to your industry or niche. Simply enter a search query and Bing AI will provide you with a list of related keywords that you can use in your content. Keyword analysis. Once you have a list of keywords, use Microsoft Copilot to analyze their search volume and competition. Copilot will provide you with insights on which keywords are more valuable and less competitive, making it easier for you to rank for them. Content optimization. With your keywords selected, use Microsoft Copilot to generate content suggestions based on your topic and keywords. Copilot will suggest headlines, subheadings, and even paragraphs that you can use in your content. You can also use Midjourney to generate unique and high-quality content for your website. Print on demand. After creating your content, you can use Midjourney to generate unique and high-quality generative art that can be applied to print-on-demand services like Redbubble or Society6. This can help you create unique and eye-catching designs for t-shirts, mugs, or other products that can be sold online. Using Bing AI and Microsoft Copilot, along with Midjourney, can help you create high-quality content, optimize your SEO strategy, and generate unique and eye-catching designs for print-on-demand services. Prompts are the starting points for generating text or art with Midjourney AI. Customizing prompts can help users achieve more specific and personalized results for their projects. Here are the steps for customizing prompts and using prompt engineering with Midjourney. Choose a topic or subject for your project. Before starting with Midjourney, it's important to have a clear idea of the topic or subject you want to create content around. This can help you generate more relevant prompts. Input a prompt. Once you have a topic in mind, input a prompt into Midjourney to get started. This could be a question, a statement, or a keyword related to your topic. Use the autocomplete feature. As you start typing your prompt, Midjourney will suggest ways to complete the sentence or phrase based on what it has learned from previous prompts. This can be a helpful way to generate more specific and relevant prompts. Customize the length and style of prompts. Midjourney allows users to adjust the length and style of prompts. This can help to generate more unique and varied results. Use prompt engineering. Prompt engineering involves modifying prompts to achieve specific results. This can be done by adding or removing keywords, adjusting the length or style of prompts, or using synonyms or related terms to generate more specific results. By customizing prompts and using prompt engineering techniques, users can create more unique and personalized content with Midjourney. Stable Diffusion and Descript are powerful AI tools that can be used for text summarization and video generation, respectively. Here's how to use them. Stable Diffusion tutorial. Open the Stable Diffusion website and click on the Try Demo button. Enter the text that you want to summarize in the text box provided. Choose the desired length of the summary using the slider. Click on the Generate Summary button to get the summarized text. Review and edit the summary as needed. Descript tutorial. Open the Descript website and sign up for an account. Create a new project and import the video or audio that you want to use for your video. Use the AI-generated transcription to edit the text and make changes as necessary. Use the Overdub feature to record additional voiceover or fix mistakes in the existing voiceover. Use the Video feature to add images or video footage to your project. Preview and edit your video as needed. Export your video in the desired format. Using these powerful AI tools can save you time and effort in creating quality content for your digital marketing efforts. One way to make money with AI is to offer AI-generated content to clients. For example, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney to generate high-quality blog posts, social media content, or product descriptions for businesses. Another way is to create your own AI-powered products, such as chatbots or recommendation engines, and offer them to businesses or consumers. Additionally, you can offer AI consulting services, where you help businesses integrate AI into their operations or develop custom AI solutions. It's important to keep up to date with the latest AI tools and trends, and to showcase your expertise through a portfolio or case studies. The first step to showcase successful case studies of AI implementation in digital marketing is to identify businesses or individuals that have demonstrated a measurable ROI from using AI tools. These could include case studies from various industries such as e-commerce, content marketing, or social media advertising. The next step would be to gather data and insights about their implementation of AI tools, including the specific tools used, the challenges faced, and the results achieved. The final step would be to present these case studies in a visually compelling way, using charts, graphs, and other visual aids to demonstrate the effectiveness of AI in improving marketing outcomes. Providing actionable insights and takeaways from these case studies can help businesses and individuals understand the value of AI in digital marketing and inspire them to implement AI in their own marketing strategies. The rise of AI voice assistants has opened up new possibilities for digital marketing. AI voice assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant allow users to interact with technology using only their voice, creating a more seamless and natural user experience. As the technology continues to improve, AI voice assistants are becoming more sophisticated and able to understand and respond to complex queries. This presents a significant opportunity for digital marketers, as they can leverage AI voice assistants to deliver personalized and engaging experiences to their customers. By integrating AI voice assistants into their marketing strategies, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and provide a more intuitive and convenient experience for their customers. Midjourney V5 is the latest version of the AI writing tool that offers many new and advanced features. One of the main features of Midjourney V5 is improved natural language processing, which enables the tool to generate more coherent and sophisticated writing. Another major feature is the ability to customize the output with different voices, tones, and styles, which allows for more personalized and tailored content. Additionally, Midjourney V5 includes an enhanced autocomplete feature that suggests more accurate and relevant words and phrases based on the context of the prompt. Finally, the tool now offers a more user-friendly interface and better integration with other digital marketing tools. Viewers can learn how to access and use these new features to optimize their writing and digital marketing efforts with Midjourney V5. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you found it informative and useful for your digital marketing efforts. We would love to hear your feedback and any questions you may have. Please leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on the topic. Your feedback is invaluable to us as we strive to improve and provide more valuable content in the future. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.